chai pancakes. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mark Hyman, and I'm here to tell you about my new book, The Pegan Diet. And today we're gonna make the most amazing recipe from the book, which is my chai pancakes. Yes, you get pancakes. Now, what is the Pegan diet? Well, it's sort of a joke because paleo and vegan seem so different, but they're actually almost identical except for one thing, where you get your protein. Otherwise, they're the same. Whole foods, lots of fruits and veggies, lots of nuts and seeds, good fats, lose weight automatically. So let's get right into it. And yes, you can have pancakes, but the whole idea here is that the ingredients matter, quality matters. And you have to eat in a way to upgrade your biological software. So what we got here is the topping for the end, which is guava. Now you can use figs, you can use any fruit. Guava is really delicious, full of vitamin C. Pecans are full of phytochemicals, fiber, minerals. We have special buckwheat flour, and it's gluten-free, and it's delicious. And then of course we have almond flour, and a little bit more protein in there, a little more fat. We have a mixture of spices. We have cloves, we have nutmeg, we have cinnamon, we have cardamom, and we have ginger. We have eggs, we have coconut oil, and we have almond milk, and a little bit of vanilla. And all of these have really powerful medicinal properties. Here's the buckwheat flour, almond flour, and all the spices right here. I'm gonna just dump those in. And we're just gonna stir it up and kind of sift them all together, blend it all together really nicely. And the almond flour, the almond milk, and a little bit of vanilla. 1, 2, and that is it. And we just mix that up like this. Mix them all in, blend them in. And we have, all this incredible yummy stuff. Little pecans thrown in there at the end, folded in. And throw those in. And now we're ready to make pancakes. Now, this is the batter. It's beautiful, it's delicious. It's full of phytochemicals, antioxidants, yummy. It's actually got no grains in it. It's got no sugar in it. It just has good, yummy stuff. So now we're ready to start cooking the pancakes. I take a little 1/4 cup measuring cup and you spoon out little pancake, mix into the pot like this. Okay, so you wait till they bubble on the top, and it's ready to turn over. Ready to flip. Really nice little pancakes. That's all there is to it. And you can enjoy delicious, yummy food without actually having any guilt. So I hope you love these pancakes. These are my favorite, my chai buckwheat pancakes, and we'll see you next time.
Again, thank you so much to Dr. Mark Hyman. I have to say thank you for all of the work and study and care that went into this. And it was quite an interesting read for this family. And thank you for making pancakes. Hello. There are more great recipes in this work, The Pegan Diet, and of course it's available now.